This is a new 2017 Ford Fusion. It's powered by all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, a power sunroof, internet connectivity, electric trunk, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.